How to solve a SAT word problem quickly. This is Darryl Hold of affordable-tutor.com. So what we have on screen here is a question. If square A had side A and that second square side was double that was side B and third square was triple that of square A, how many times was the square area of the third square, how many times did it multiply compared to the first? So as we're looking here on screen, one of the first things that you want to do is, instead of doing the algebra, assign values to each side of the square. So let's go ahead and do that. So we decide that the first square, square A, the side is going to be 3. Therefore, the area of it is 9 square, whatever, let's call it 9 square feet. The second square side is double that, 6. Therefore, it's 36 square feet, square B. And square C is triple the original one, which makes it 9, the side, and therefore it's 81 square feet. So if you were asked a question, typically you might be given these choice of answers. You might have choice A would be how many times they compare? 3 times. Some of you might have chosen that. Say, well, 9 is 3 times 3. Of course, that would not be the correct answer, but that would be a typical trick answer. You might also have 6 times. So somebody would look at the multiplier there. C, in this case, that's going to be the correct 9 times. And then they might give you an outlier 12 times, or E 15 times. And if you notice, clearly C is the correct one 9 times. If you were trying to do this algebraically, you might be plugging in, instead of plugging and doing it algebraically, you might make some faulty assumptions that would lead you to believe, well, it's 3 times, no, it's 6 times. This way, by plugging in, it becomes very clear, and what could have been a time-consuming problem, the SAT math word problem, you've translated it, you made it very clear. And that's really all there is to solving this particular problem. We will look at other problems with greater complexity, but remember, essentially the difference between the complex problem, SAT math problems, and the simpler ones are the number of steps. I hope you found this very helpful. My name is Darryl Hold of affordable-tutor.com. Email me with any questions you have at tutorpro88@gmail.com.